Hey guys, what's up? It's Tim the Tile Guy. So today I will be showing you guys how to install a niche. But yeah, let's get into the video. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and taped up my edge. That's gonna be my edge all the way around. And then I ended up gluing this back before I started the video. But yeah, now let's complete these 4 pieces in here and then put the marble capping right here. And then yeah, another tip for all y'all non-tile guys that are trying to get or do a project renovation is when I do the niche, I usually do the side pieces first. That way I can just slide in this piece up at the top, and I'll show you guys as I'm doing it. And it's a way cleaner look, you know. And then as you slide this piece in, it's gonna be like the same, but here, you know, but over here we're doing marble. So yeah, I'll show you guys further in the video. See guys, I went ahead and cut both of my side pieces, ready to glue them. And then I glue them, make sure they're square. So from this side to this side, I run a square to make sure it's square box. And then I do the same on that side, and then I start doing the top. And as you can see, we have a joint running through here. I'll show you guys a little hack that you could do, so you can just use one piece. You don't have to do 2 separate pieces inside the box. You'll still have the joint there, but I'll explain in a little bit. So guys, this is what I was talking about, square. So I usually use one of these. Typical Home Depot square, triangle, whatever you want to call it. And I line it up with the back of my niche. And I want to make sure that this tile is flat. See, there you go, that side square. We'll do the same thing to the top. That's squared off as well, pretty much. And then you also want to check it this way. So you're gonna put it, that's squared off right there. You're good. That side's installed right there. Look at that. Nice, and one nice piece in here. We're gonna do the same thing to that side, and then we're gonna go ahead and install this top portion. And yeah, I'll get back with you guys after I install that piece to show you guys the hack I was talking about for that piece right there. But yeah. Okay guys, so this is the life hack. Well, not really a life hack, but it's a tile hack, and it makes your box look cleaner. So you see how I have the joint running through here? I went ahead and marked it on the joint, ran a line down. I went ahead and marked it on the tile right here. So this mark right here. I went ahead and marked it, and I will use my speed square to basically draw my joint. And when I cut it with the grinder, I'll run a line through it with the grinder, but I won't cut all the way through. That way you still have one solid piece. So one solid piece that's going in there. But you're not gonna have to put 2 separate pieces in the box, which is a way simpler way to do it. I know people that cut it, and it's I don't know, it's based on what you like doing, but I'm just explaining to y'all like a really simple way to do it, and it's really easy. And I'll show you guys the end result after I go ahead and cut it and sand down the joint. But yeah. Okay guys, the piece is finally installed. See the line I was talking about? I took the tape off. Now you can see it. It goes down and it goes inside this box. So inside. And it makes it look like the joint was continuated, but it's actually one piece. And now you just fill in with grout, basically with grout. That's like your only option right there. But yeah, I will show you guys a final video of the shower once I end up putting the marble cap right there. But yeah, and this is the final result right here. This is the marble cap. I ended up putting it in. There's the box, and that's how you do a niche right there. It's easy as that. I mean, if you're a beginner, take your time, but you know. All right guys, Tim the Tile Guy signing it off.